Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the download location in Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome. Now click on the three dots in the top right hand corner. It says Customize and Control Google Chrome. Now go to Settings, go to Downloads, and then click Change beside Location. Select the folder where you want the downloads to save to. I'm going to save them to Desktop and Articles, and then August 16th, 2024. And then click Select Folder. Now I'm going to download a picture, so I'm going to go to DuckDuckGo. And as you can see, as soon as I do that, it's asking to save in Articles and August 16th, 2024. So I'm going to click Save. And that is how you change the download location in Google Chrome.